like the Mac.
How do you feel, George?
Cold.
It's not that cold, it's hot, it's warmer.
A few hours ago, now it's, I don't know. Yeah, we can come on the terrace.
It's definitely colder than Greece, but...
Oh, it's freezing compared to Greece.
This is our room and this is our terrace. Slightly less bugs this time.
Just the air itself is really cool.
Yeah, true. It's a nice place to be though.
Yeah. We're listening to Greek music now. It's Friday. Monday.
Like the Mac.
How have you enjoyed your day in the mountain, George?
Yeah, it's been kind of cold though.
Look at the cows.
So close to us.
The baby. That one doesn't look very happy.
Come on.
Why? You think it's going to attack us?
No.
We went to find Wi-Fi because I wanted to speak to my brother and make sure that he was okay, as he's in Greece, down in Crete, where it's so warm probably.
And it's quite cold here.
Yeah.
As you can
one
see.
weekend we went from Greece, where it was maybe up to 40 degrees, and now we're here where it's already dropping down to like 5, and it's like 7 o'clock in the evening. But yeah, it's what day? Monday, and we're up in the mountain again. We had a good day at the waterfall. Now there's another waterfall. And I'm really burnt. I'm not really burnt, but I'm uncomfortable enough from the burn. And yeah, it's been a good break.